Welcome to Towns in Motion. Today, we'll be exploring Woodville, Mississippi. Welcome to Woodville, one of the oldest and most charming towns in Mississippi, located in Wilkinson County. This quaint town, with a population of about 1,000 residents, offers a unique blend of deep history, preserved culture, and natural beauty, making it a true gem in the southwest corner of the state. Incorporated in 1811, Woodville holds a special place in Mississippi's history. As the county seat of Wilkinson County, it is home to several historic landmarks and museums that celebrate its rich past. One of the most notable of these is the Woodville Republican, the oldest surviving business in the state and Mississippi's oldest newspaper, which has been in operation since 1823. It's a testament to Woodville's long-standing presence and its role in the region's development. For history enthusiasts, Woodville is a must-visit. It's home to two significant museums, the Wilkinson County Museum and the African American Museum, both located in historic 1800s buildings. These museums are filled with photos, artifacts, and exhibits that provide an in-depth look at the town's history, from the days of early settlers to the cultural influences that have shaped the community today. Both museums are located nearby, making it easy to explore and learn about the town's heritage in one trip. Woodville is also home to Rosemont Plantation, the childhood home of Jefferson Davis, President of the Confederacy. This historic property offers a glimpse into the life of one of the South's most well-known figures and is another must-see for anyone interested in the region's Civil War history. Woodville is rich in history, it also boasts some of the state's most stunning natural beauty. One of the town's crown jewels is Clark Creek Nature Area, a 2,000-acre haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Known for its waterfalls, massive rock formations, and unique features, Clark Creek is a natural wonder that's sure to take your breath away. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply someone who enjoys peaceful walks through nature, the area offers both primitive and improved trails for all levels of exploration. If you enjoy browsing antiques, make sure to visit Main Street Market, an antiques mall that opened in 2004. The market is home to more than 24 vendors, offering a variety of antiques, collectibles, and local craftsmanship. It's a perfect stop for anyone looking for unique items or gifts with a local touch. Woodville is tucked away in the southwest corner of Mississippi, strategically located between the historic city of Natchez and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Its location near the Mississippi River and the rich surrounding landscape make it a quiet, scenic getaway with easy access to larger cities in both Mississippi and Louisiana. The town covers just 1.1 square miles, but within that small area lies a wealth of history, culture, and natural beauty that makes it an unforgettable destination. Whether you're a history lover, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone who simply enjoys the charm of a small town, Woodville offers a little bit of everything. Woodville may be small in size, but it's big in history, culture, and beauty. From its historical landmarks and museums to its beautiful natural areas, there's so much to explore and discover here. Whether you're passing through or planning a longer visit, Woodville offers an opportunity to step back in time and experience the true heart of Mississippi. Thanks for joining us as we explored Woodville, Mississippi. Make sure to subscribe for future trips on Towns in Motion.